Hello friends, I hope you are well. I am Giovanni García and today I will introduce you the jalapeno pepper plant. Scientific name Capsicum annuum. Family Solanaceae. Origin tropics of Central, South and North America. They are annual semi-herbaceous plants with alternative leaves and small white and greenish or purplish flowers. This plant provides food, generally grows faster in hot climates. Germination dies from 8 to 12 dies to harvest from 70 to 120 dies. It is best harvested in the pastures. Grasslands are plants communities dominated by grasses with few trees and shrubs. They may be the product of clearing wooded land, but here we refer to natural ones. Trees may exist in the savannas, but they are scarce and widely scarred. My plant does not germinate very quickly due to the contamination of the water and that we are in the cool season. A standard that helps to resolve the water problem is the official Mexican standard NOM 127 SSA 194 Environmental Health. Water for human use and composition. Acceptable quality limits and treatments to which the water must be subjected for its purification. Of the 100 wells and tanks to supply water to the population of Torreon, 18% exceed the official Mexican standard for permissible levels of arsenic in water, which is 0.025 milligrams per liter, according to the latest physical chemical analysis carried out by municipal water and sanitation system of the city. Look at this is how little my plant has grown.
Hello, my name is Michelle and I will show my plant. This is my plant. It is the sapila. So I really had this plant before and I really bigger. I chose this plant because it's a very easy to take care of and it only needs sun obviously and some water. But near my house there is a company and sometimes if it is bad for my plant because this company releases many chemicals that are not good for my plant. And what did I do what I do take care if it is protect for my plant. There's some live places and my plant is from a dry climate. This is not grown in regions of the
Hello, my name is Cristofer, and today I will explain a little about my plant. He is Nikolai, and he is a bean. The bean is a native plant of Mexico. Its natural ecosystem is in some fields of corns and chili, this in order to provide better growth. I started with a plastic bottle that I cut into parts to make a pot. Put soil, a bean grain, and a lot of water, because the bean needs a large amount of water to grow, as well as a lot of sunlight. As is well known, beans are a natural resource, which is classified as food or supply. Many of the times, the pollutants that affect its growth is the excess of carbon dioxide in this atmosphere, or even the low temperatures of the area. Remember that the plant needs help, as well as a lot of space for its roots. Nikolai present pots at the age of 2 months. I am really impressed by its accelerated growth, which was possible with a good care. That's all for my part. I hope the presentation has been to your liking. Remember to take care of the environment and have a great day, and don't forget to smile.
Hello teacher, my name is Gabriel González Martinez and my brave plant is lavender. Lavender. What ecosystem does lavender belong to? It's grown right problem both in stony areas and dry and plain soils. As a point of planet, where does lavender originate from? Originally from the Western Mediterranean basin, among the lavender product countries, places as distant as France, the main producer, Spain, Bulgaria, Argentina, Japan, or Indian state out. Family, Lamiaceae. Class, Magnoliopsida. Order, Lamiaceae. Ecosystem. Lavender is very rustic plant, which adapts well to many pedoclimatic situations typical of Mediterranean climates are where wind, wind, ice, and stony soil, forming beautiful boxes. Perpetual, potential, renewable, and non-renewable resources natural. Perpetual. Air, water, sunlight. Renewable. Wild, tides, currents, wind, plants, nutrients, flora, and fauna. Non-renewables, natural resources. Fossil fuels, coal, oil, natural gas, metallic minerals, iron, copper, aluminum, non-metal minerals. Rock, sand, clay, filter soil. Protection that is given to lavender. Lavender requires very light care. The cake is fun sun, good drainage, and little abundant watering. Water your lavender once a week, or when the substance is completely dry. In summer and spring, you water more in winter. How does air pollution affect plants? The effects of pollution can be manifested by the alteration of various vital mechanisms of plants. Metabolic functions and tissues can be affected by various gases compounded with sulfur of fluorine. What does water pollution affect plants? If the plants contain toxic substances of dangerous microorganisms, animals and plants can get sick and very huge number of fish, birds, or the other animals can be large scale water pollution for more fish and jellyfish. Iron pollution water cannot be eaten. Since the weight is the problem now, this problem have always existed forever, but since plants were developed over the time that began the harmed plants and animals. Why do you think it is important to save plants? To be able to preserve and maintain the existence for plants. What is the objective of problems or project? That the plants can develop correctly and continue to species and grow. How to solve the problem? Relocating plants or trees to fix this problem. Thanks for seeing.
I am Perla Michelle González Alvarado.
I am Perla Michelle González Alvarado. I'm going to tell you about the vapor plant, as it is, where it's in, is from, its car. The vapor plant is vegetal On the fringes of forests is reforested, and among rocks, in grass and low walls. The species is found from Tutanskil town natal, Suwaldon, the Pennsylvania, and a niche of it plant is contains anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic, descompant and antioxidant properties that help to reduce wrong. Ecosystem of plant vapor is tropical. The tropical ecosystem resource virtual sun and water and wind in renewable sun, water, wind, homes. Not renewable is animals, tree, and precious rocks. Tropical ecosystem produce production, recreation, and lures, culture, and aesthetic resource. Ecosystem service of the tropic, from provision, food, medical, ground, stones, and handlags, or regulation water tropical, of sober sun on sand formation, of culture ecostream. A problem that the large plant grow is air and water pollution and home. We must avoid and reduce the production of the gas in greatly affects the environment and cause global warming. There are Mexican norms that regulation greenhouse gas levels, and these are some. Norm 25 SA1 2014 is this law the limit val indic along which in the environment of PM10 particles is 75 maximum 40 annual average, and of PM 2.5 particles is 45 maximum and 20 annual average. And thanks for attention.
Well, hi guys, my name is Jassiel Haimerich Medina, and this will be my plant called Mind. Okay, so this is my plant, and it's Mind. Mind is a genus of permanent herbaceous plants in the family Lemaceae. It's estimated that it has 30 to 18 species, although there is difference between them. It is still uncertain. Hybrids between some species occurs naturally, in addition to numerous cultivars. Mint is also called peppermint, and is a year plant of Mediterranean regions such as Italy or French province and Central Asia. Choose the right period to the plant. It is ideal to the plant in the spring or autumn, in the live to climate where it do not frost. His perpetual is sun, snow, and air. The renewable resources will be humidity, since it is a cool region and allows to mint spread due its low concentration of sun. Non-renewable. Some animals are in danger, become extinct due to conditions of the place and the dangers do hunters oppose them, such as bear, and some plants, since they need water, there may be times of lack of water. Mint is a really value against colic, diarrhea, digestion, vomiting, and stomach pain and its antigen action. That calms the muscle and intense and stomach. What does that mean? That means that the plant it is like a healthy one. Problems that affect the environment. Most plants are sensitive to high temperatures, although they vary greatly depending on the age of the plant and its ability to understand adverse situations. High temperatures always decrease the soil's ability to retain water, because it evaporates very quickly. Like other plants, mint does not resist chemicals released by some factories or plants, since it is a toxic gas for them and prevents them growth in even killing them. Mint is a bit resistant to cold temperatures and gets with understand quite a long time without an amount of water, but it isn't that resistant as the sun, cause the sun can kill them. Factories are the cause of the much earth pollution. The smoke and solid waste they generate are harmful to the earth and the living beings that inhabit it, since they communicate the solid and water.